Hey guys, Brooke here, and yes, today I have Alicia, and I'm doing this because why not? The world needs a little more Alicia. Am I right? The world needs a little more Alicia. I'm recording my failing because, yeah, see, Luna just freaking hit me. Frick you. Well, for those child viewers, I don't really freaking care. Okay, I'll just shoot that because I have no friends. So yeah, this is why I don't post. Oh god. Oh, they're waiting for me, I bet. Nope. No.